Welcome to Agro Adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the reality of mushroom farming, the unfiltered, practical truth that most videos won't show you. Is it really profitable? What challenges do farmers face? And how much effort does it take to succeed? Let's find out. Mushroom farming might look simple, but it's a delicate science. From setting up the growing room, maintaining perfect humidity and temperature, to choosing the right spawn, every step matters. In this farm, oyster mushrooms are grown using straw-based substrate in controlled conditions. The entire cycle is around 25 to 30 days. The setup reality. Here's the truth. Setting up a mushroom farm isn't always cheap. You need proper ventilation, sterilization equipment, racks or bags, and reliable water and light control systems. Daily work and labor. Behind every harvest is a lot of manual labor. Boiling and cooling straw, filling bags, arranging racks, and constant monitoring. Farmers must check for contamination daily. Even small mold growth can ruin a batch. Yield versus expectation. So what's the yield like? Under ideal conditions, 1 kilogram of dry straw can produce about 800 to 1,000 grams of mushrooms. But in reality, many factors, from spawn quality to ventilation, affect the outcome. Some batches give excellent results. Others, not so much. Profit versus reality. Now let's talk profits. Yes, mushrooms can be profitable, but not overnight. With the right marketing, consistent quality, and customer base, a farmer can earn well. However, seasonal demand, market rates, and spoilage risks often eat into profits. Common challenges. Common issues include contamination, irregular climate control, lack of technical knowledge, and low market access. Many new farmers give up within the first few months, not because it's impossible, but because the reality is harder than expected. Conclusion. Mushroom farming isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill that requires patience, learning, and attention to detail. If you're passionate and prepared for the hard work, it can be rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agro Adventure for more real stories from the world of farming.